The Office of Emergency Management is going to be at Celebrate Fairfax this weekend. We're going to be offering you the opportunity to pre-register for the new Fairfax Alert System. This is Fairfax County's new emergency alert system that's launching this June. We'll also be offering preparedness information for you, your family, and your pet. So come visit us on Children's Avenue at Celebrate Fairfax. Emergency alerts have really changed over time. A lot of folks aren't listening to local radio or watching local TV anymore. So it's really important that you sign up your family for Fairfax Alerts. It offers the opportunity to receive alerts about 5 geographic locations that you choose. That can include your home, work, maybe your kid's school. It also offers the opportunity for you to sign up 10 delivery devices or delivery methods. Those could include a phone call, text message, email, and there's even a new mobile application that you can download. The thing about emergencies is you never know when they're going to happen, so make sure you stay informed by being on Fairfax Alerts. Summer storms could be rolling in, and ultimately, if we can't reach you, we can't alert you. For more information, visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov/alerts. Come visit us this weekend at Celebrate Fairfax and be informed.